In 2012, we had created a strategic plan for the coffee category. The big ambition to become decisive market leaders. We had two main tasks. One was to grow the core for the category in South. Given that we are the market leaders here, the job was to convert our consumers from conventional coffee to instant coffee, and of course also gain share. While the job in non-South was to actually create inroads for the coffee category, given that this is the citadel for our biggest competitor over here. It was actually a 360-degree plan. We launched Brew Gold in the pure coffee format, which made us fit to win in the non-South market. The second, on price, we took a series of steps over here. Migrate our consumers from the Brew Rupee 1 pack to the Brew Rupee 2 pack, and migrate consumers from the Rupee 3 pack to the Rupee 5 pack. The third thing that we did was in promotion. We sampled innovatively and at scale. The Brew Small Town Contact program that we had in South touched almost 2 million consumers, while various other innovative sampling methods like milk bag sampling, van sampling, and of course other methods like print sampling, which we deployed in the non-South, touched 3.5 million consumers. The fourth one was on proposition. So we crafted the proposition which we titled 4 More, and under the proposition of 4 More, we had some hard-working communication going on using different celebrities for South and non-South. The next lever was to use non-traditional media. What we did was we really leveraged mobile marketing to our advantage. We completely changed the way RTDs are run for our wholesalers by giving them mobile coupons as an incentive. By doing all of these things over the last 3 years, we've consistently gained share year on year. And the gains were so good that finally in October 2015, we actually ended up becoming value market leaders, which is the first time in the instant coffee history. We hit a share of 49.73% and have actually resulted in being almost 120 BPS higher than our competitor. I think the key learning is to stay consistent in your approach, and also that penetration usually results in share gain. So by actually focusing on the task of increasing penetration, both in South as well as non-South, and it was actually a 360-degree plan, we have consistently added share year on year.